we have left our hotel and we've come to this hostel just to wait for the bus because we are going into the Amazon rainforest tonight. It's currently 11:15. We're just waiting for our bus to come and pick us up, and then we've got a 10-hour journey to get to the lodge.
Right, we've just arrived, we've just got off the bus. I bought this stupid hat because a couple of days ago my head burned. Obviously because I'm bald, I've got no hair to protect it. So I bought this hat. We've now got to get a canoe ride to the lodge where we're staying. It's a 2-hour ride, and apparently there's some nice wildlife and stuff to see on the way. We've just got into our lodge thing, and it's basically 4 wooden walls, a shower that seems to run directly from the river, which we've just had a cold shower, which was nice, because it's absolutely roasting, but there's no signal, so we can't tell you how roasting it is. But we just rode here in a boat, took 2.5 hours to get here, and yeah, it was cool. We saw some monkeys, saw some snakes,
baby anaconda.
Yeah, it was sick. And yeah, this is where we're staying. So it's a bit of a mess because obviously we've chucked some stuff down, but we've got 3 beds for some reason for 2 people.
This is the one that annoys me, and he has to go and sleep on this bed.
All with mosquito nets, and then this is our view in the Amazon rainforest. No windows, just a bit of mesh. So yeah, bougie.
Morning. So we just woke up, we just had breakfast, we're just getting ready to go out for the day. It's super hot already, and we've got to wear long sleeves and long bottoms because we're going on a hike through the jungle. Yeah, last night's sleep was interesting. I got bit like all down here, all down here, so I've been bit up. I'm literally drenched in insect repellent. Hopefully that will do something, but I'm not hopeful because I was drenched in it last night and I still got bit. So yeah. What are those?
Pyjamas, mate.
Zach's wearing his pyjama bottoms and then his beautiful Wellington boots. And I've got mine on. We just got off the boat in the jungle. So now we're gonna go on a 2-hour hike through the jungle. And I think I'm going to get eaten to death.
So we're on this jungle walk, and everyone stopped to see this stupid bird. Just about that big.
It's literally tiny. It's like a tiny little grey bird,
Listen,
and they're trying to
listen.
look for it.
That's it.
That's the noise it makes. That's the noise it makes. And it's literally like this big. It's so small.
I hope a snake eats it. Mosquito repellent.
Oh my god. Oh my lord.
There's a lot.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's like my biggest fear. Bug's crawling on me.
It is absolutely roasting. I'm not sure how many degrees it is here because nobody has their phones to be able to tell us. But tonight we are going for another swim in the lagoon, or little swim in the lagoon. No way I'm getting back in the boat after I've jumped in. And then we're going on a jungle night walk. So another thing that might be worth adding is we are on day 2 out of 4. 3 nights, 4 days. If you're finding this a bit too long, then you might want to skip ahead because this is going to be a long one.
Welcome to the Tarabiaya village. It's Siona's group. His name is Aldemar. He's a doctor of the village. Just the name is just to explain, for a good explanation about the medicine.
Esta otra cabecita se llama Pepe o Pepito.
For you guys, you have papayas, yuca, or manioc, plantain, banana, y yuca.
Gracias.
Today's been pretty sick. We went to a indigenous tribe in the Amazon, and we spoke to a doctor there, which was pretty sick. You can tell if you've got like illnesses and stuff like that just by drinking this stuff. And then we came back, made chocolate, well, roasted cocoa beans, and then had that with bananas, which was pretty cool. And now we're going hunting for more animals along the river. It is absolutely roasting. It's 36 degrees today, and there's very little breeze. You can see that little bad boy running down my head. Lovely. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to be about 6 stone light after these 4 days. went bird watching. Well, we'll call it bird watching. We went down the river to try and find some birds, but there were none. And that was at 5 o'clock in the morning. And then we came back and went straight to the base camp where from the lodges on the speedboat. So did that 2.5 hour boat ride again, and then we had the 10-hour push journey back to Quito. So that last day was just filled with travelling. But out of 10, Cuyo Beno, what do you reckon?
9, because we didn't see a big anaconda.
Yeah, we only saw baby anacondas, so I'll probably agree with you on that. It was pretty sick. The whole time we were there, it kind of felt as if we were like in the Hunger Games and people were like controlling stuff. And I said to Lyd at one point, if you throw a stone or something hard enough at the sky, it'll bounce back, just because it was so surreal.
Because there was like no Wi-Fi, we were just completely cut off from everything. So it felt like people were watching from home and like putting in votes for us. So.
Yeah. But yeah, no, really cool, really sick. Dolphin Lodge was amazing. Yeah.
10 out of 10 recommend.
Well, 9 out of 10 recommend.
I 10 out of 10 recommend it. It was just 9 out of 10 for me because I wanted to see a big anaconda.
Okay.